Okay, in a medium saucepan, you're going to add your chopped onion and your garlic in the buttery spread. I would say over medium-high heat. You're gonna cook those until they're tender, maybe about 10 minutes. And next you're gonna add your flour and your salt and pepper and cook that for another 10 minutes or so. In a bowl, you want to dissolve your cornstarch in the vegetable broth and then add that mixture gradually to the onion garlic mixture. And then you're going to bring that to a boil and then put it on simmer for about 15 minutes or so until it's thickened. And that is it. Stirred pretty fast there. And last, you want to add your soy sauce. Mix that in. And there you have it, your brown gravy. Ready for potatoes, stuffing, the freezer, whatever. Enjoy.